Good morning, students. Welcome back inside your online class. I am Mitun Sarkar, your online teacher, and I always come with these types of educational video related to your subject. So stay with your teacher. Student, last day we discussed about some grammatically questions. Okay, and today we will discuss about some spelling question. That means it is related to spelling. It is a worksheet. Okay, I will write here get to know about correct spelling, past tense and ly word. So we will do today 3 questions. Okay, student, I already written one question on the board. It is circle the correct spelling. You need to identify the correct spelling and need to circle. Okay, some of the time it will become tick the correct spelling, then underline the correct spelling. So let's start the writing answer. Student, I write here SPERROW, SPERROW, SPAROW. Okay, you can very easily identify it is sparrow spelling. So it is SPARROW. So you need to circle this one. Okay, then chirap, chirap, chirap. Student, always you need to remember the words properly. When you read it with the spelling. Here is CHI, here is CHC, but spelling is more than same, but E and I is different. So correct is this on. Then train, train, train. सुनाई तो एक ही लग रहा है, but the correct spelling is TRING. Then bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. It is correct, bicycle, this on. Then chatter, chatter, cheetah. Actually correct one is CHATTER. You have another more words in your book. When you read the story, you also read with proper spelling and also write in your copy. So it can be remember in your mind very easily. Okay. So this is our question number 1. Write it. Circle the correct spelling. I will give here 5 words for your example, but you can write more. Okay. You can make these types of question in your copy, and then you can make right answer. Okay, note down this one. Next question will write some past tense. Student, past tense means you know that start is or. Okay, present means tomorrow and future means present means today's work and future means tomorrow's work. In my channel I make a video with related to tense. You can watch this video also. Okay, go to in my channel video section, there is a playlist grammar, you can watch. Okay, tense. And I already taken from this chapter 2 classes. If you miss that class also, you can watch. Okay, student, I hope you note down the number 1. So we'll write our next question. And if you can't note down with me, don't worry. You watch this video again and again, and then you can note down. Okay, so don't worry. Then number 2, students, past tense. Past tense means second form of verb. So question number 2, write the past tense for the following. For the following means मैं कुछ वर्ड देंगे तो मैं उसका past tense लिखना है. Okay, so number 1 we can write go. Go, the past tense is went. Then number B, we can write look. So this is the past tense is looked. Number C, say it. It is very easy also. It is some of this from our book, some of this for your practice outside of the book. Okay, outside the book means outside of the story. Okay, then we can write pulled. Oh sorry, this is D. I will write 5 for your example, but you can write more and you can send me in comment box. Okay. In our book, I'll find some word. Then you can write. Okay, not more word in our book, but we can write another for your example. That means smiled, climbed. Okay, then anyone we will write. चलो climb, CLIMB, climb लिखते हैं. Climbed, CLIMBED. Actually, this is for your example. How can we write the past tense? Okay, so you can write more. Then question number 3. It is very important also. Sometimes the past tense will be come in grammar part. Okay, so we can write here competency grammar also. Spelling and grammar both of 2. Okay. Question number 3. Write some words ending with ly. Student, कभी कभी ये क्वेश्चन इस तरह से भी आता है. राइट 2 वर्ड्स एंडिंग विथ ly और add ly to the word to make a new words. ओके, तो चलो हम लोगों का लिखा है राइट सम वर्ड्स एंडिंग विथ ly, तो इसको आंसर डिड लिख लेते हैं. देखिए इन आवर बुक वी हैव ए वर्ड शॉर्टली. So we can write also hardly. It is opposite word. Then silently. Then we can write loudly. Okay, this is ly word. When these types of question will become, you need to identify some word. You need to write some word that is ending with ly. Okay, lovely. Then you can write merrily. You can write proudly. Okay, you can write more word, but I will write here only 5 for example. You can write more this types of word. Okay, note down this one also. I will give some times for this. Note down properly. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the 3 questions very carefully, and this class is helpful for your study. So if you are new in this channel, you can share, you can subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you all of you.